Artificial intelligence is rapidly transforming many aspects of our lives, and the military is no exception. From automated drones to lethal autonomous weapons, AI is being integrated into military systems at an alarming rate. But what are the implications of this technological arms race? AI on the battlefield. AI is being used in a variety of military applications, including autonomous weapons systems, AWS. These are weapons systems that can select and engage targets without human intervention. Also known as killer robots, these systems raise serious ethical and legal concerns. Drones and unmanned vehicles. AI-powered drones and other unmanned vehicles are being used for surveillance, reconnaissance, and even targeted strikes. Cyber warfare. AI is being used to develop sophisticated cyber attacks and defenses, capable of disrupting critical infrastructure and stealing sensitive information. Intelligence analysis. AI algorithms can analyze vast amounts of data from various sources to identify patterns, predict enemy movements, and provide strategic insights. Logistics and supply chain management. AI can optimize logistics and supply chain management, ensuring that troops and equipment are deployed efficiently. The ethical and legal dilemmas of lethal autonomous weapons. The development of lethal autonomous weapons raises profound ethical and legal questions. Loss of human control. Allowing machines to make life or death decisions raises serious concerns about accountability and the potential for unintended consequences. Violation of international humanitarian law. Autonomous weapons could violate the principles of distinction between combatants and civilians, and proportionality, ensuring that attacks are proportionate to the military objective. Escalation and proliferation. The development of autonomous weapons could lead to an arms race, making conflicts more frequent and deadly. Lack of moral judgment. Machines lack the moral judgment and empathy of human soldiers, which could lead to atrocities and war crimes. The need for international arms control. Many experts and organizations are calling for international agreements to regulate or even ban the development and use of lethal autonomous weapons. Some key arguments for arms control include preventing an arms race. International agreements can help to prevent a dangerous and destabilizing arms race in autonomous weapons. Upholding ethical principles. Regulations can ensure that the development and use of AI in warfare adhere to fundamental ethical principles. Protecting civilians. Arms control measures can help to protect civilians from the indiscriminate use of autonomous weapons. Maintaining human control. International agreements can ensure that humans retain meaningful control over the use of force. The potential risks to humanity. The unchecked development of AI in military applications poses significant risks to humanity. Accidental war. Technical malfunctions or errors in AI systems could lead to accidental wars or unintended escalation. Increased risk of conflict. The proliferation of autonomous weapons could make conflicts more likely, as countries may be more willing to engage in hostilities if they believe they can do so without risking human lives. Erosion of human dignity. Allowing machines to kill humans could erode our sense of human dignity and make it easier to dehumanize the enemy. The importance of dialogue and action. Addressing the ethical and legal challenges of AI in the military requires a global dialogue involving governments, experts, and civil society. We need to act now to prevent the development of a future where machines are making life or death decisions without human oversight. It's about ensuring that technology serves humanity, not the other way around.